Peat gives Scotch whisky its iconic, earthy, medicinal character.
The smoky peat phase ends as hot air raises the kiln temperature. Workers insert electronic probes to monitor the grain's moisture. The green malt dries from 45 to 4% moisture. The enzymes are preserved, ready for mashing. The rake arms rotate slowly, gently stirring the mash to ensure complete contact with the water. Multiple water additions at higher temperatures extract every available sugar from the grain. This takes several hours of careful temperature control. The measured yeast is added to the cooled wort, dissolving as fermentation begins. Within minutes, tiny bubbles form, the first sign of yeast activity. The low wines begin their second pass through the copper still, a more delicate and precise stage. The longer neck encourages greater reflux, refining the spirit's character as the stillman monitors tiny variations in heat. Second cut. Faints now running into low wines. Noting time, 10:32, hydrometer 9:45. 4 shots and faints to be redistilled next batch. The manager walks the yard, selecting casks from bourbon and sherry production. Their previous contents and condition will shape the whiskey's final character.
Steady now, guide it in. Aye, rolling smooth, almost there. There we go, good work.
From the nosing bench, the master blender moves to the estate map to identify casks. With a red marker, Schittels and annotates each cask by type. This curation is the invisible craft that distinguishes a great blend.
Let's see if she's sound.
Solid. Ready for the blend. Pressure stable. Initiating cask transfer now. Good. Knows this batch. It needs a touch more spice. Understood. Adjusting the Highland cask ratio. Perfect. This will be exceptional.
Initiating full-scale blend. All valves opening.
Malt and grain streams converging. Proportions are exact.
Fully stable. Vessel filling at 2,000 liters per minute. Perfect. Watch the integration.
To patience and fine craft.
And to savoring the moment.
The legs indicate the presence of long-chain fatty acids and higher alcohols developed during 18 years. The Temmelachs the swirling Grabvam Koptoring in the world finding zurits.